Have you ever imagined living in a world where you can be anyone, go anywhere, and do anything without even leaving your home? That's not a dream. That's a virtual universe that's already reshaping how we live, work, play, and connect. In this video, we'll dive deep into what the metaverse is, how it works, and why it's considered the next big chapter in human evolution. Let's start at the beginning. What is the metaverse? Is a shared virtual 3D space where people can interact with each other in real time. Think of it like a digital twin of our physical world, except better, where you can fly to virtual Paris in seconds, wear a tuxedo to a digital gala, or walk through a virtual museum to see priceless art from around the world. In the metaverse, anything is possible. This isn't your typical video game. You're not just battling dragons or exploring galaxies. You're immersing yourself in a whole new world, one where you're not limited by physics, geography, or even your own body. Your imagination is the only limit. In the metaverse, you're not confined to a flat screen. You're in the middle of the action, experiencing everything in 3 dimensions, feeling like you're really there. Whether you want to collaborate with colleagues in a virtual office, attend a concert with friends halfway around the world, or simply explore new places and meet new people, the metaverse makes it possible. It's like the internet, but instead of connecting us through texts and photos, the metaverse connects us through sights and sounds, emotions and experiences. It's like stepping through the looking glass into a world where anything goes, a world where you can be whoever you want to be. A world where the only limit is your imagination. The metaverse is not just a place, it's a movement. It's a way of thinking. It's the next evolution of human experience. So let's take a deeper look at what the metaverse has to offer. Let's start with gaming. The metaverse offers a whole new level of gaming. Imagine playing your favorite games in a world that feels real. You can join forces with others in epic quests, battle fierce dragons, or explore distant galaxies, all from the comfort of your home. You don't need to travel to another dimension. You can visit other worlds right here, right now. But the fun doesn't stop there. With the metaverse, you can create your own games and share them with others. You can build a following, earn rewards, and who knows, maybe even become the next big game developer. In fact, some people are already making a full-time income creating metaverse games. So if you've got a creative spark and a love for gaming, the metaverse is the perfect place for you. Next, let's talk about socializing. Making friends can be intimidating in the real world, but in the metaverse, it's a whole different story. With so many people from all over the world, you're bound to find people who share your interests, hobbies, and passions. You can chat, hang out, or even play games together. You can make new friends, reconnect with old ones, or even find romance. In the metaverse, there are no awkward run-ins or uncomfortable silences. There's always something fun and exciting to do. You can visit a virtual theme park, attend a concert, or simply hang out in a chat room. The possibilities are endless. And the best part, you can socialize without any barriers. You can be yourself, be someone else, or anything in between. It's up to you. In the metaverse, there's no judgment, only acceptance and fun. So if you're looking to expand your social circle, meet new people, and have a great time, the metaverse is the place to be. Now let's explore work and business. The metaverse isn't just about fun and games. It's also transforming the way we work. Imagine attending meetings in virtual offices where you can interact with colleagues from all over the world. You can shake hands, exchange ideas, and build relationships, all from the comfort of your home. No more boring conference calls or expensive business trips. With the metaverse, you can collaborate with ease. You can work on projects together, share files, and make decisions faster than ever before. And the best part, you can do it all in a relaxed, fun atmosphere. Gone are the days of stuffy boardrooms and water cooler gossip. in the metaverse work is exciting and engaging. So if you're ready to take your career to the next level, then it's time to embrace the metaverse. And finally, let's discuss shopping. The metaverse offers a whole new way to shop till you drop. You can browse virtual stores, try on clothes, and buy the latest fashion all in a few clicks. You can visit your favorite brands or discover new ones. You can buy digital or physical products all in a fun, immersive environment. Say goodbye to crowded malls and checkout lines. In the metaverse, shopping is easy and convenient. Plus, you can do it anytime, anywhere. You can shop from the comfort of your home office or even while on the go. And the best part, you don't have to worry about returns or exchanges. If you don't like something, simply take it back in the metaverse. Shopping is not just about buying things, it's about experiencing them. You can see how clothes look on you, try out new accessories, or even test drive a car. It's like having your own personal stylist and shopper, except it's virtual. And like any big technological breakthrough, the metaverse has its critics. People worry about privacy, security, and the potential for addiction. They wonder who will control the metaverse and how it will impact our society. But these concerns are not valid. The metaverse is built with the latest encryption and security protocol. It's designed to protect user privacy and safety. Plus, users have complete control over their avatars and digital assets. They can choose what to share and what to keep private. As for addiction, the metaverse is simply a new form of entertainment. Like any form of entertainment, it should be enjoyed in moderation. The key is to set healthy boundaries and use the metaverse responsibly. So don't let negativity bring you down. Embrace the metaverse and all the exciting opportunities it offers. The metaverse is changing the world as we know it. It's revolutionizing how we work, play, and interact. It's opening up new possibilities and pushing the boundaries of human experience. So it's time to take the leap and join the metaverse revolution. Don't be afraid to experiment, have fun, and explore this new world. Who knows what amazing opportunities await you in the metaverse? Thank you for joining us on this journey into the metaverse. We hope you enjoyed learning about this exciting new world and all the possibilities it offers. Remember, the metaverse is not just a destination, it's a new dimension. It's a new way of experiencing the world. It's a new way of connecting with people. It's a new way of doing business. It's a new way of having fun. The metaverse is a whole new world, and we're so glad you're here to explore it with us. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We've got a lot more videos coming out on the metaverse, including interviews with experts, tutorials, and sneak peeks into the latest trend. So don't miss out. Hit the subscribe button now. Once again, thank you for watching. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep believing in the power of technology to change the world.